purpose to ease congestion, whisk riders quickly around town, and offer a safe and comfortable riding experience. But the 5-year-old Metro rail system that snakes through Houston, Texas, has earned an unexpected distinction. It's one of the most accident-prone light rail systems in the United States. The reason? All 7.5 miles of it run on city streets, where confused and impatient drivers can't seem to stay out of its way. In its first 2 years of operation, the system experiences a crash roughly every 12 days. The majority of the crashes are due to motorist error, including the running of red lights, drivers speeding up and attempting to make left turns in front of the trains, and a failure to look both ways. The city of Houston is considering ways to cut down on accidents. In the meantime, the Metro set a new record for the most accidents in 1 year, 62. In early 2009, the system experienced its 245th collision since opening in 2004.